myyrin också.
Yeah, today is 21st of July 2021 and we have Norotie Rendiesvik and Träningstekisei here in Myyrmäki. Myyrmäki on Länsi-Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Western Vantaa here in Helsinki Force region, Uusimaa, Finland. There are 6 floors here with laminators and 6 fixtures, and the capacity is just 3 persons to 5 grams here actually. It's smaller. And now let's see when it was built. It was built in 1972. The Kone security logo, so it's turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022. And serial number is H28200. 6 floors, MBS6 stop and alarm buttons, that's amazing. Let's ride it. I like the sounds here.
Same here.
And it will be inspected in 2023.
Iskuttiin paitsi pientä menteet pois sille.
Yeah. And that's it, and thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase B and see here.
That's